Hey, good Thursday evening, everyone. Thank you for checking out your latest weather update. The forecast remains pretty much the same through the weekend. You're going to see plenty of sunshine, hot and humid weather. Highs will be flirting with that 90-degree mark here over the next several days. We also are looking at a mainly dry forecast through Monday. Just a couple spotty storm chances this weekend, but that chance remains pretty low. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We have mostly sunny tomorrow. We're completely dry tomorrow. I don't see any way we'll see any pop-up storms. We'll see high of 89 as we go through the weekend. Highs again nearing 90 degrees here. We put in just a very small spotty storm chance, but we are essentially dry Saturday through Monday. So enjoy it here. A great weekend to make those outdoor plans. Definitely a good weekend to maybe head to the lake or camping or head to the pool here. It's going to be a great weekend for that. And then next week, we slowly start to bring back a better chance for some storms, especially after Monday. I think Monday we're still dry for the most part. And then starting Tuesday onward, we're going to start to pick up those storm chances here. Becoming a little more active, and we're also going to see temperatures still staying pretty warm here in this forecast, even through late next week. So again, summer is definitely here in full force. That humidity, it's going to feel a little more like the mid to upper 90s at times this weekend. So again, just stay hydrated, drink plenty of water here, and stay cool. Enjoy it here. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your Thursday.